Hello friends, today I am going to explain how to prepare partner's capital account, a very important topic of fundamental of partnership which is required in each and every chapter, admission, retirement, death, everywhere it is required. So children, here it is very simple. It is very simple to understand what is partner's capital account and how it is prepared. So here we go, dear children. Partner's capital account is prepared to record whatever partner gets and whatever partner has to give. Whatever partner gets is recorded in credit side and whatever partner has to give is recorded in debit side. It's very simple. There are two methods of preparing partner's capital account. First is fixed capital method and second one is fluctuating method. So both the methods I am going to explain here how to prepare partner's capital account under fixed capital method. As its name is written here, capital is fixed. So capital is fixed means how to prepare. So children, it's very simple. It is prepared in which only capital is recorded. You can see in partner's capital account only capital is recorded. This is partner's capital account. You can see in credit side, it starts from the credit side by balance brought down if there is any opening balance. If business is started in the same year, the fresh capital is introduced, then it is recorded by bank account. Okay, when capital is increasing, we record in credit side. When capital is decreasing, we record in debit side. Very simple rule. Debit side decreasing, credit side increasing. When any partner withdraw capital permanently, then it will come here in debit side to bank account. Permanent withdrawal of capital and the remaining to balance sheet is the closing balance of partner's capital. So only this much is required when partner's capital is fixed. When partner's capital is fixed, only money which is invested, that is recorded. Only money which is withdrawn out of capital permanently, that is recorded in debit side. I hope this is clear to everyone. But when children, partner's capital is fixed, when partner's capital is fixed, partner's capital and partner's current two accounts are prepared. Why two accounts are prepared? Because in partner's capital account, we record only about capital introduced and withdrawn. But partners are getting some other thing than capital also. They are withdrawing other than capital also. What is that? They are getting salary. They are getting interest on capital. They are getting commission. They are getting profit. Then where do we record all these points? So that is why when partner's capital is fixed, two accounts are maintained. First is this account, partner's capital account, and second is partner's current account. Other than capital, everything whatever partner gets and partner has to give is recorded in partner's current account. You can see children here, partner's current account. It is prepared as it is like partner's capital account. Other than capital, anything which partner gets is recorded in credit side, like balance BD. If there is any opening balance, credit balance of partner's current account. Whatever partner gets, like partner is getting salary, will be recorded here. Partner is getting commission. Partner is getting interest on capital. Or if there is any profit share, is recorded in the credit side. Now we can see when partner's account is reduced, it is recorded in debit side. Like partner has withdrawn something to drawing. Partner has withdrawn, so partner has to pay interest on drawing, will come in debit side. If there is any loss in profit and loss appropriation, it is coming in debit side. So anything which partner gets other than capital is recorded in partner's current account. Whatever partner has to give is recorded in debit side. Partner's current account is prepared only when partner's capital is fixed. Partner's current account is the account in which debit or credit, both balance can come. Remember children, okay? Now we are going and moving on the next method when partner's capital is fluctuating. See children, when partner's capital is fluctuating, only one account is to be prepared, and that is partner's capital account. Only one account is prepared, fixed capital and current. Fixed Under fixed, capital account and current, two are prepared. Under fluctuating, only one is prepared. Under this capital account, both the accounts are merged. How it is merged? Let us see, children. This is what it is. I have prepared here for all of you. See, you can see here. By balance BD in credit side, it starts from credit side. If balance remains, if we have balance, then it is started from the credit side. If they introduce some more capital, then it is recorded in credit side by bank account. And whatever partner gets, like salary, commission, interest on capital, whatever partner gets is recorded in credit side. Not only capital is recorded, but other than capital, whatever partners are getting also is recorded in the credit side. If there is any profit, it is credited. If there is any loss, that is debited. You can see whatever partner has to give, whether it is permanent withdrawal of capital or they are drawing temporarily and they will return. Interest on drawing will also come in debit side. So finally, children, we conclude then that if we need to prepare fixed method, we need to prepare capital account by using fixed method, then two accounts are prepared: partner's capital account and partner's current account. In partner's capital account, only capital is recorded. Other than capital, whatever partners are getting and they need to give is recorded in current account. When partner's capital is fluctuating, partner's capital investment plus whatever partner gets other than capital, everything is recorded. When partner's capital is fluctuating, the balance can be debit, balance can be credit. I hope everything is clear to everyone. Thank you. Thank you very much, my dear children. Please comment.